Good morning all. I've just put my flow headset on for the second morning. Second time. Now, I haven't used it. I used it yesterday. And yeah, I had a really bad night's sleep. Sorry, pigeon. I had a really bad night's sleep. I realised that I've took my tablets the wrong way round. So like I got a yellow Dosset box for the evening with my tablets in, but I also have a white one that I take in the mornings, and yeah, I just completely forgot that I'd taken the wrong one yesterday. I woke up at like 2 thinking I hadn't remembered that I took the wrong ones. Oh, apparently I left the key in the door again. So I mean, I'm not with it really today. I'm really not with it. I'm just losing my marbles, I think. I woke up at 2. A Tesco shop ready for Thursday. I'm fucking tired. I'm bloody tired, so I say. Shouldn't swear. And yeah, it's another day. Like, I'm gonna write what I'm grateful for, do my gratitude list. But this morning, I woke up and I'm sober. I'm an addict. And we all should know that. Those of you who feel that you are an addict, but you don't recognise that you yourself, because your brain doesn't want to, your body doesn't want to, because the problem is he's got control of you. I had the weird thing this morning to I normally have Jasper on the dog, the black Jasper, the Labrador, on a black lead, and Jake goes on extendable. The Husky goes on extendable, because I would let Jasper off, but Jasper was really naughty yesterday and ran off. So I just think I didn't. They took him out and I had pooed. I got a banana. I don't feel too well, great at myself. But anyway, I'll do a touch up later.